These massive wooden beams once protected the city like no other palisade had ever done. The French colonists had built wood fences to ward off attacks from enemies who used arrows and muskets. This time it was fortified with boxes of cedar filled with soil to withstand cannonballs. It all happened because of then French Governor Louis de Buade de Frontenac.
Well, Governor Frontenac, your reply, sir.
I will reply from the mouth of my cannon.
The Premier, the city's mayor and dozens of staff from Quebec's Ministry of Culture are present to unveil the discovery. François Legault says the site is exceptional.
It's the oldest palisade in North America, so it's something important, something that remembers us that we're here since 400 years.
4 centuries of history means the ground below buildings in Old Quebec can't be touched unless archaeologists are present. So Jean-Yves Pintal was there when an excavator struck one of the beams of wood.
Which was a huge discovery for us. Some parts of the older fortifications of Quebec have been found, but never so huge.
In the 17th century, it took 500 men and almost 15% of the French colony's budget to build this first permanent fortification. André Bergeron was delighted at the state of preservation. The clay in the earth and a constant stream of water kept bacteria from eroding the wood. But now, every minute the site is exposed to oxygen, it deteriorates. Bergeron says archaeologists now have to extract a 6.4-meter-long section of the fortification before the earth freezes over in a few weeks' time. Then he'll get to work on preserving the wood so that Canadians will no longer have to imagine what it was like to stand on either side of the fortifications 325 years ago. Katu McKinnon, CBC News, Quebec City.